Hey everyone, it's Andrew Nagel with Valk9 Designs, and we're back showing you a Patreon request on how to set heart-shaped stones. We have some heart-shaped rubies here that I'm going to be setting into a bracelet that was requested by a client for his mother. We're going to be setting that with some diamonds and some other smaller ruby accents. So basically when I'm setting any shape of stone, I want to draw out the design first and kind of plan my settings. As you can see on my design drawing here, I've also drawn out where I'm going to put the frame wires for the bracelet, and that's basically where I'm building the settings for the stones. It's the same idea with a pendant design as well. You basically want to start by building your settings on your frame. Now as you can see, I've started to build the outside of my setting with a half round wire, 13 gauge. You could start this process with any gauge wire that you're wanting to use, a square or a round, but basically after you've built the part of the setting where the stone sets in, as you can see on the bottom here, you want to start to attach your detailing wires where you're going to be building your setting around your stone. I'm going to be using some other gauges of wire to build detailing wires over the top of this stone, and that will finish setting the stone into the piece completely. Here I've used one length of 21 gauge square to set the outer part of the stone, and then I've used an inner length of 22 gauge round to kind of build the other part of that spiral weave detail, and I've set that onto both sides of the stone so I can display the top part where the heart is carved in. I'm going to add some other wires later to give more detail to this bracelet, but that was the start of how I wanted to set one of the stones, and I'm going to do a similar option on the other side. As you can see on the other side, we've done a similar setting. I've used a length of 21G square on the outer part, and then a length of 22G round on the inner part. What I've done is I've tucked in the 21G square into the little top nook of the heart, and then I've brought another length of wire from that same little nook at the top and brought it around to the bottom part. And then I've also used a length of 21G square to set in that bottom point of the heart, so that way it's definitely stable in there. So this is one way that you could set hearts into a piece. Another way I would suggest would be to do a prong setting, and I will demonstrate that in another video for you guys later this week. Thanks everyone, have a great day.